Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney girl, and we are trying some great new makeup from ColourPop. It is the Disney Princess, Heart of Gold. I love the box. A little obsessed with the box because, of course, it's all the princesses. But here is, they call it the Vault. So here's all of the shades that they did. I like it's all individual pots, and it's their Super Shock palettes or shades, which I've used some of the other ones before, and they stay on so well. So here are the shades. You can't really see on the camera, but the cardboard, like the box. Well, first of all, this is like sturdy. Will probably store this as is. And you've actually got all the princesses here in the middle. And then each individual pot is a princess, which is super, super cute. Like this one is obviously Snow White. You've got the apple. It's called I'm Wishing. And it's just this like super white, almost silvery shade. And then you've got How Far I'll Go with little seashells. So that's Moana. This is like a great neutral color. It's like almost like an iridescent neutral shade. And then you've got Beauty and the Beast. So obviously this is Belle. You see the Enchanted Rose. Oh, here. And the shade is this like golden yellow. Then we have, well, this one's obviously Merida because you've got the, Touch the Sky. So you see you've got the bow and arrow. And it's this, oh, that's like just a beautiful green with some shimmer. That's gonna look amazing on. Then we have, they are sometimes a little hard to get out. This is called Reflection. So this is Mulan with her comb. And this is actually like a pinkish red. And then this is obviously Aurora with the crown, Once Upon a Dream. And this is just a pink, almost a little coral, I would say. All right, and then we've got Colors of the Wind. So this is, of course, Pocahontas with the leaves. And that is like a copper, almost like a yellowy copper. And then this one is down in New Orleans. So this is Tiana with a little flower. And like that's like almost like the shade of her dress. It's just this like pale green. And then Under the Sea. So this one is Ariel with the seashell. Oh, that's like a perfect like aqua color. And then got Jasmine with the lamp here. This is Arabian Nights. Like a perfect blue. And there's like some silver specks in there. And then I See the Light. So you've got Rapunzel's sun. And this, oh, that's like an iridescent shimmer in this purple. That's really cute. And last but not least, Cinderella's Coach. And this is A Dream is a Wish Your Heart Makes. And it is this beautiful, like, pale blue. So, like I said, I will probably store this collection as is because it just, like, that is nice and thick and sturdy, like just a beautiful display. So let's take a look. I do have some eyeshadow on, so, but we're still gonna play with some of it. So I'm taking the Snow White I'm Wishing, and I'm gonna put some on the lid. That's pretty. And that's the shade right there, I'm Wishing. So like, that's a pretty like silver white. And then I'll take some of Once Upon a Dream, Aurora shade. So that's just on the crease. And obviously, like, it actually doesn't look too bad with my fingers, but obviously, like, with my fingers, with brushes, they're gonna look a lot better. And then just to show you guys, here's Ariel's. They all have this like shimmer to them, so they are gonna look so nice on. And then here's Pocahontas, the Colors of the Wind, like a gold. That is definitely more gold than copper. That's nice. And then I see the light, so here's Rapunzel's. Do that here. It's like a pale purple. Like, I am so obsessed with these. Like, I can't wait to like totally play with them. We'll take some of the A Dream is a Wish Heart Makes of Cinderella's pale. I'm kind of doing that on the brow bone. Like, it's totally different from Snow White's I'm Wishing. I know it looks kind of the same. But oh my gosh, guys, like, if you can get these, get these. ColourPop has released a bunch of new stuff. I am trying to be good, so I will not have everything. Because ColourPop doesn't pay me for this. I do this because I want to know what this stuff looks like, so I want you guys to know. And here's the back. I mean, like, I'm definitely storing this as is. I am obsessed. So definitely head over to ColourPop and grab that. And I like that they're individual pots, so you don't have to carry around a whole palette, especially if you're traveling. So I hope you guys love it. Go grab it. If you grabbed it, what's your favorite combination of shades? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching these videos. I love doing them. I hope you guys like them. Like and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys next time. Hakuna Matata.